Finally, Ministerial Intervention Guidelines has been updated on 4th of September 2025. Hi everyone, this is Amit, Registered Migration Agent. In this video, we will be discussing what the new changes, what are the Ministerial Intervention means, and who is being impacted. Now, so Ministerial Intervention means when your visa is refused, your tribunal is refused, or a court case has been refused. Now, after that, you can apply for the Ministerial Intervention, means you can request the minister to intervene and give you a more favorable option. For example, you could have a request for the permanent residency or another visa, so that you can apply for the another visa, right? Depends on the different circumstances. Now, so what are the changes? The changes are that previously you could have applied based on the compelling and compassionate reasons. Now they have specified what is considered, what is not considered. Firstly, I give you some examples. What is considered? The first one is, for example, if you're a parent of Australian citizen who's a minor, you could have request for the Ministerial Intervention, or you're working in your own field and the occupation is on the small, medium term or long term or the RO list and you have employed to support you. Otherwise, if you're a parent of Australian who failed the health waiver, who cannot pass the medical examination, simple words. These are some of the examples. Now, who can't? Just an example, right? People who are the bridge visa E, that has a specified date on that bridge visa E that you must depart Australia on that day or before that date. Or people who are unlawful and remain unlawful throughout the process. A person who left Australia. Now, there are different things to be considered. These are some of the changes as I mentioned to you. Now, who is being impacted? As I mentioned to you, from April 2023, before the Davis case, if you have applied for the Ministerial Intervention, it has not been allocated, then you might need to meet the new requirements. You might hear from the department soon. So it is considered or it is not considered. Accordingly, you might need to reapply, will vary. There is no specific information or clarification on this thing. Now, for all the new applications, they need to meet these definitions. If you don't meet, for example, and still apply, department might dismiss your application, means it might not go to the minister. But if you pass that first thing, then it will be assigned to the minister, and then minister will make a decision that he or she will intervene or not. So that's basically how this thing works. I hope from this video you have got the idea what is a Ministerial Intervention and what are the changes, who's being impacted and who can use it. If you need a further information, you can contact us or visit our branch for Sydney or Melbourne. Thank you.